In this video, I'm going to show you how to make WhatsApp messages unread after reading. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up WhatsApp and go to the chats tab. Then long press on the conversation that you want to mark as unread. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on these three dots right over here. Then go ahead and select on this option that does say mark as unread, which should be right over here. So please go ahead and press on that. A green dot will then appear next to the chat indicating that it has been marked unread for you. Now, unfortunately, this doesn't actually impact the way other people view your messages. So other people are still going to see the two check marks. But if you guys don't want that to happen anymore, then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on these three dots one more time. Then go ahead and press on settings. Then select over here where it says privacy. Then go ahead and select on last seen on online. And where it says who can see my last seen, please go ahead and select on nobody. And where it says who can see when I'm online, please go ahead and select on same as last seen. And those two will help you out significantly. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.